Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. What? Don't tell me you forgot. What? Oh, yeah. Today's the big day. What big day, Dad? I didn't remind you. We are flying to Rohamas. Get down here. So we're flying to Rohamas? We're flying to Rohamas. Is it like Bahamas? Wait, no, okay. So it's like Bahamas, but it's Rohamas. Oh my. None of you have done your bag. I can't believe you forgot. We don't even have time. Oh my god. Whoever doesn't have the baggage ready for breakfast is not going to the trip. I want to go to the trip. Oh no. Girls. Sorry. I'll start making the burgers in the backyard. Hurry up. Alright. I really want to go to the trip. What are we going to do?
I have no idea.
Oh no, what are we going to do? I don't remember where my clothes are. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We have 45 seconds to explore the house and see where everything is. Start packing. Alright. If you know what's going on with my avatar is I won for innovation awards. Alright guys, start packing. Find inside. Let them. Complete it. I think I know what this is. Ghost one. I don't know why I have to go to the ghost one. I am not a girl. I am a male. Hello. What about my Nintendo Switch? Yeah, I forgot about that. Get in there! Get in there! And my Quest 2. Burgers are almost ready. Burgers! Oh my god, my dad is making a burger called Krabby Patties. Let's go to the backyard. Alright, go. There's 6 people, right? Yeah, 6. Who wants a burger? Me. I do. I'm so hungry. Yeah, I'm hungry for pizza instead of burgers. And once you want to take a seat on the kitchen table, or you will die. I really like burgers that much, but I don't really like burgers that much, but they look very delicious. I don't really like burgers that much, but they look delicious on TV shows and games, dude. One for me. Oh wow. One for this guy. Poor num underscore Chloe. She got the rotten ones. It's a very, very delicious looking burger. Hello everyone. We're back on Block State News. Check this radio out of the pool. Oh, it's the radio. Dude, what about our flight? Earlier this month, the president congratulated the brave hero who saved his life aboard the presidential aircraft. Oh yeah, back in Airplane 2, remember? Whoa, can you imagine saving a plane? Yeah, it was me, Dad. However, the president said in conference, as we landed, the suspect somehow disappeared. Wait, what suspect? The police warns everyone in Roblox to be careful and report anything that could be useful for in case. Alright. How could someone possibly escape from something like that? I don't know. What about you, Dad? Oh my! Look at the time! Oh, he finally realized that we're gonna be late for the flight, dude. We're running late to our flight. There's no way. Unless... Follow me. What? What? What are you planning, Dad? What if he was actually the monster all the time? That would be very shock. Did you just went through the vents? I have a bad feeling about it. Dude, my dad could possibly be the monster because he literally can go through vents. Get to the vents. Remember that time in the airplane too where the monster literally got knocked? When the monster can literally knock clip? What if the monster was actually Dad? Because Dad is literally knock clip. Dad's literally knock clip, dude. The garage? What's in the garage? There's some secret cars in there? Like Lightning McQueen? I present you with a very own small plane. Wow, thank you, Dad, but I don't think we can fly planes yet. That's very nice of you, Dad. Thank you very much. But I don't think we can fly planes yet. Also, we don't have plane license. You're gonna catch another plane. Those are more fun than walking. Oh yeah, it is. But what if we crash? What if we crash? It's gonna be your fault, Dad. Now, we can't lose more time. Find your plane and grab a seat. Yes, I did. Find your plane and grab a seat. Yes, I did, and I'm sitting. Charger. Obstacle? Yeah. Oh my god. What? Landing. Emergency land. Who died? Someone died. Oh my god. Kagi died. Perfect. Everyone is here now. I forgot to tell you. Flying over that shortcut is illegal. Hopefully nobody saw you. Yeah. This customer situation always leads to a bad thing. Everyone's running on the corner. Let's keep moving. It's alright there. Alright. Hello, Avant-Garde 56. There's a truck. It's gonna run it over. I'm not going to hold that thing. That truck is waiting for us to run us over. Wait! I already have my ticket. Get yours before the plane takes off. Drop your baggage. I don't even have my baggage. Oh, I have it now. Alright, drop the baggage. Dude! Where's the other guy? Dude, it's only me and the Avant-Garde. Dude! No! Give me my ticket! I did! I dropped my baggage! I dropped my baggage! I dropped my baggage, dude! There's no baggage in front of me, dude! Dude! I dropped my baggage! I dropped my baggage! I dropped my baggage! I dropped my baggage! Dude! Go! You want a ticket? I need to teeth! I need to teeth! I need to teeth! I need to teeth! No more waiting. Let's go. Oh my god, dude, this game sucks! I dropped my baggage on there. That is our plane. I am left behind. This game sucks. Hello, you must be the last passenger flight. I quit. I'm recording, and this girl said, "Oh my god." I'm just gonna call him for. What is your? This is my channel. That's my channel. This is making me mad. I dropped my baggage. It's over there. I'm gonna lose. What? I don't have anything on me. What is it? I don't know. What weapons did you have? Dad, what weapons did you have? Alright. Good thing we got teleported. I think it's alright. Wait a minute. What is it? What is alright? Dude, is the plane look smaller than we thought? This plane looks smaller. What is it? Why is the police there? Dude, why is the police there? Why the police there, dude? You are going to have to come with us. Why? Why police? Why, officer? Why? Officer, why? Did they see us go to that illegal shortcut? They're problem, officer. Or you caught flying over a restricted area. You are in big trouble. Wait until we got all the paperwork ready. Dude, if you don't let us go to the flight, I'm gonna kick your ass. I knew it was a bad idea. Now we are totally losing. No. Take off. No. No, it's an A380! What is that red thing? Oh my god. This is a new monster. This is a new airplane monster. It's finally complete. Dude, what do I sound like Professor Megan here in Pirate Adventure? Are you enjoying the show? Of course. Of course not. Our flight really took off without us. The world will be property of undead. No. My world will be a property of livings. First, I used angry humans to help me build an ark, but now I can take over the world. Why are you wearing a bat? If you guys are holding a bat, then I'll hold it. Alright, I'll hold it again. Hold it too. Don't worry. To see you in the afterlife. Why the line like in airplane, back in airplane. See you in the afterlife. Oh, what's going on? Oh, we can't move. Look, the cops are back. Let's ask them for help. Wow, they literally just put us in. I don't think those cops are friendly. Yeah, they're zombies. I just kill the cop. Kill the cop. I don't want to kill them. I'm low health. Low health. I don't want to kill them, but I have to help them. Oh my god, dude. I don't want to leave KKMW123 like that. She'll go. She'll be sad that the content creator will be dead. That was horrible. We gotta find a way to exit this place. Boop and a boop and a boop. There's vents. All right. Yeah, I know. Which vents? All right. It's kicking me with MW. It is. Good guys, I have to open vent. Yeah, we already know. Blah blah blah. Yeah. We need to get out of here. Wait. Where's that? Where's that? No! No, Dad! You need to keep going without me. Dad! No, no! The skeleton curse is affecting Dad! Dad, no! Don't leave us! Let's do something. But first, let's get out of this place. Before the monster comes, yeah, we have to. Alright. Go! I can't believe what I'm seeing with my very eyes. It looks like I'm late to the party. What? Who even are you? I'm Poncho. If you don't know what the Roblox is, State of Army. Dude, I thought he died. Dude, I thought he died. Dude, I heard you in the news. You were not supposed. Were you not supposed to be dead? I've been trying to stop this strange creature for years, since the world depended on it. Dude, I thought General Poncho died back in Airplane 3. So I had to fake my death. We're the only one left. You have to find and destroy Skeletox before the bad energy consumes us. Oh, yes, we have to. To do this for our dad. Yeah, R.I.P. Dad. It's time to be a hero then. Follow me. That way. Who's this guy? Who's this guy? Who's this guy? Who's this mysterious man? Who's this mysterious man? We might be asking. I don't know. This guy seems very masked. That way. Be careful. Ouch. This guy might be infected. Nope. Wait, why does he seem familiar? No. It's not what I think it is, right? It's not what I think it is, right? Oh, he really is. That's really Ronald. Hello, General. Remember me? Dude, Ronald, I thought you were nice again. Ronald, I thought you were nice again. No way. You're supposed to be dead. I guess we are both supposed to be dead. But here we are. When my dark side attacked the presidential plane, we got shot in the face. That made my curse become weaker. Wait, hold up. So, the only way they could completely be free is by killing Skeletox. I still don't trust you. You could be lying to us. You are not going to be part of this mission. Hold on. Wait, if Airplane 3... Wait, hold on. Ronald, well, what if Ronald's the creature? If Ronald is the creature back in Airplane 1 and Airplane 2, does that mean, like, the first is Airplane 3, then it's Airplane 1, Airplane 2, and now it's Airplane 4? Huh? I don't know. You want to follow? General Poncho. I guess I'll follow General Poncho. We'll follow General Poncho. He's like more friendlier than Ronald. This is the place where all the evil energy comes from. Oh my. What is that noise? Oh no, it's the infected. It's all the infected. Oh no! They found us! Oh my god, it's awesome. Okay. Do I have to follow the plane arrows, dude? Look at us. It's a trapdoor, isn't it? Ah! I knew it! A trap! Ow. What is this place? Dude, this full of cages and it's a cave. Look up there! Good. Ronald! You were right, General. Oh no, Ronald! Oh no, Ronald got caged! Oh my god. Pilot Kaylee! I thought she was dead! Dude, I know Pilot Kaylee, she's from Airplane 2! Jack! And that guy. Who's that guy? Jack from the ship? I don't know. I forgot. It's been many years. Quickly, we have to get them out. Get out of here, General. It's a trap. I have a blue sword. Just like my blue. It's blue. That makes my favorite color. It's too late. No, Skeletox. It's never too late to defeat you. I hate Skeletox. And I have enough scared souls to have my full power. Why do you think I go after planes? It's the easiest way to get souls scared for their life. I just used Ronald because I did not have power to do it myself. Oh, Now I do. Down. Getting ready to be harvested too. No, no. Whoa! Oh! Oh my God! I'm gonna die. Oh no! I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh no! I'm gonna die. Oh no! I'm gonna die. Oh no! I'm gonna die. Oh my God. No! God damn it. Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I am really gonna die. KKMW 123. Never forget me, bro. Never forget me. Just do. Just spin them. Just spin them. Just spin them. Just spin them. He's moving. Alright. Go. No. No! Palawi! Palawi died. R.I.P. Palawi. Palafi. Not Palawi. Cold coffee. Alright. Oh no. Oh no, he's tweaking again. No! Cold coffee died. He's tweaking, dude. Why is this motherfucker tweaking? Alright. No! KKW, no! We're both low health. We're both gonna die. It was nice knowing you, KKMW123. It was nice knowing you. Not the time. Not the time. KKMW123! No! I'm doing this for everyone. And everyone I love. He's still low. He's low. Right? No, no, no. This really sucks. Gigagiat. Okay. Tweaky. Skeletons. Oops. Gigagiat! No, Gigagiat! You'll forever be missed. You suck. Skeleton sucks. Right. Attack. I'm on my own. Attack. Dude, this is literally taking so long. Dude. Okay, he's at low power. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna win this. I'm totally gonna win this. For you.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Huh. Dude, what the hell? Alright. Finally. Oh my god, dude. It's finally over. You did it, soldiers. Scout Talk is gone for good. Well, not soldiers. All of my friends dead. Let's get everyone out of here. You mean me? Because everyone died. Except for me. I'll never forget you guys. The nations of reflection were grateful, and so once again, Ronald's back. It's back. I was trying to brave heroes, so bringing the evil to an end. Ronald is now nice again. I also thanked everyone. You saved my life, and I still have my blue sword, and my battery is 5%. Good job, soldiers. Enjoy the moment. You deserve it. I've been trying to finish with Skrullops for a long time. And finally he's gone. I know Dad will be proud. Wait. What about our dad? Oh yeah. Oh my. What about our dad? Wait. Who is that over there? Who? What's up, family? Did you miss me? He's a ghost. Wait. No way. Hello, dog. I did miss you. Wait. Kaylee is our mom?
That could be true.
Wait. Kaylee's actually our mom? That's right. And the family is finally complete again. YOLO. Flamingo! Isn't it amazing, General? Wait. The General is gone. He's gone again. You can be sure. Wherever he goes, he'll be saving the world. Airplane 4. Yay.